kick. This is a very deceiving and effective kick. You see this a lot in mixed martial arts. It really works. I have a couple versions of this technique. We're going to show you the most basic. This technique is performed after I'm throwing a lot of front kicks. Snap kicks to the groin, snap kicks to the body, setting up those push kicks, front snap kicks, push kicks. I'm getting my opponent used to the push kicks, okay? And as I do that, okay, I'm in a chamber. I'm bringing it up and following through over the top to get as much power as I can. A lot of times you're going to impact and just fall right back into your stance, okay? Right back into the opposite stance. Here's the main mistake I see with this. People try to throw it with your legs still out. So it's like they're cranking here, cranking here. You have to rechamber. You have to have a good round kick before you start this technique. Have a really good round kick to understand all the basic principles of the round kick before you move on to your question mark kick. From here, right? All right? Give this technique a shot. Fantastic technique. Also another very deceiving movement that'll catch your opponent off guard.